When you get your order, you will be taken to your order details, which will have a direct link to your planner right here, and the full instructions to access the stickers and any other details that you may need. So if we open that one, open link, this is your instructions, tutorials, tech tickets, all that good stuff. So let's actually open up the PDF. This is how it will look when it arrives. And what you're going to want to do is actually click on the dots right here and say that you want to open in. It's going to say preparing to export. And if you don't already have your Goodnotes highlighted here, you'll just have to hover over and it'll show right here under more. So I'm going to click on opening Goodnotes. You might not already have something like this open, so I'm just going to go back to my opening page in Google Drive, open in, opening Goodnotes. And then in this case, you're always going to want to say import as a new document. So for me, obviously, I want this to go into my Ops Maison planners, and then my pink MomLife. So I'm just going to say import to there, but you can pick wherever you want to import yours to. So when it opens, you will see your cover options. And it'll take you to this home page. This is going to be your hub where you can go back to the Etsy shop and order any other items that you want. You can click on the tutorial to get the tutorial of how to use all the links. You have your FAQs here, which will take you to the website. The important one to note is the tech support option right here. So when you click on the tech support option, it'll actually bring you to a ClickUp page. And within that ClickUp page, it's going to give you the option to choose if you want to make a request in terms of, in the unlikely event that a hyperlink doesn't work or you're having questions and the tutorial hasn't shown it in enough depth for you. This is where you're going to submit those requests. If you would like to have any custom items made in the future, you can also put your requests there as well. You'll also notice that when you are opening up your planner, it's going to already have the lasso tool in hyperlink mode, essentially, which means that all the links should work as you are clicking them. Right? And it's going to give you the prompt to say that you're going into an external link. Now, if for some reason this right here, well, you can't see it from this far, but if for some reason this tool has this bar showing, it means that you are going to see this if you write. If you click here, you're going to be able to write. And obviously we want to get rid of that, so I'm just gonna hit the back button. But just to show you, if you didn't want to hit the back button, you could just hit the eraser tool and erase what you did. Voila. Okay. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're actually going to make sure that our hyperlinked mode, which is clearly shown here, in case you have any troubles, you want to make sure that we're in read-only mode when we want to access the hyperlinks, not the editing mode. So we're going to click on our little tool here. Now, you'll notice that this home icon will take you to this welcome home. So anytime you hit this home button, it'll always take you here on the next page where it says takes you to the template page, this is going to be in essence your index page. It's going to be the hub of all of our templates within the planner. Now you can access any of these items by utilizing the side tabs listed here. You can also access them by clicking up here. But if you are more into always going back to your hub, your index place, then this is going to be amazing for you. So if you want to access, let's say, the productivity icon, you'll notice that that matches the productivity with the productivity icon here. So I can reach that by clicking on productivity here. If I click on productivity, once I'm at that main hub of productivity templates, I can then just click on productivity and it'll always bring me back to my index page. Oh hey, thanks for watching. For more information or more in-depth tutorials, be sure to subscribe and check out the links inside of your planner for more details. See you in the next one.